So, Jerson, you're getting ready to pull a turbo diesel engine. How many of these do you think you've pulled?
Maybe probably 20, 30, maybe. I don't know how many.
And what's the biggest hassle when you go to pull one of these engines?
The biggest problem over the years, doing this is the leak.
The leaks. So what have you done here?
Look at this. This is when you tilt the engine up, all the coolant come out of here.
Yeah.
Now I put a plug right there.
What kind of plugs are those?
Well, a silicone plug.
Yeah,
You can
look
see
at all different sizes. You
all
got a
different
collection?
sizes.
Wow.
Look
That's
at this.
pretty
I
cool.
just put one right here, small one side.
Yeah, okay.
I put one here in the pump. That way I
Put one
can
in the hydraulic
get
pump.
any dirt in there.
Okay. We
I
got
put
the,
it
looks
right
like
here in
the oil cooler hose.
Look for here, the power steering.
Yeah, we use our capture tank for power steering. You
That way
always
you don't have to be worried
push
about
the
it.
car out and you turn the wheel and the power steering fluid squirts all over the floor. So Jerson now is the master of silicone plugs.
Silicone plug are the best, man. Look, you can just stretch out, go over any type. Look at that.
Yeah. Three
That's
or
pretty
four
good.
sizes will do it, right?
Oh yeah. That's
All right, so
pretty
this
nice.
is Jerson's recommendation for the week.
Look, sometimes you can even use the plugs, in this kind of like oil cooler hose for the transmission fluid. But look at this. How nice it is to put a bag right there and you don't have to be worried about spilling anything. Look at that. So put it out of here. That's the way you do it, any engine removal. See, when you're removing oil pressure line, there's a lot of leak over here. But look what I did. I just put a plug right there. No problem. No leaking, anything. So you can work safe, with spilling oil. You know how hard it is to clean the black oil from these diesel engines? It's very hard.
Hey, Jerson, don't damage that Bowden cable. It's valuable.
Man, it's hard to get off. It might have some rust underneath.
Hey, did you forget?
What?
We got the special tool. You helped me make it.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
we
yeah,
do.
grab that
All right.
special tool. Come on.
There you
Watch
go.
this. Our special tool for getting these ball sockets off. Ah!
Much easier, huh? I forgot all about it.